Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. If you want to install any one app but with this type of problem, how to fix? Go back your home screen and after that change your country or region. Open your setting and click on media and purchase and click on view account and click on country or region and click on change country region, and from here what you need to do is select USA and United Kingdom, and after that click on this and read terms and condition carefully, then click on agree, and from here you as can see payment method. What you need to do, select your payment method and enter your street, city, state, zip code and enter your phone number, and after that click on next. After change your country or region, go back here home screen and use any one VPN and connect United States and United Kingdom. After connect United States and United Kingdom, what you need to do it, open your Safari app and from here search for this, and from here what you need to do it, search for this Apple Store, applesport.com. Click on this and click on first link Apple Sport, and from here select your device name. From here scroll down and from here you as can see option get sport. Click on start now. From here scroll down and click on more option, and from here click on App Store and click on continue. From here scroll down, you as can see contact option, click on this, and from here you can easily connect Apple Support team and explain your problem, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.